Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with lemon juice. First, gather your ingredients: fresh milk, a yogurt starter, and fresh lemon juice. Cleanliness is key, so sanitize all your equipment thoroughly. Using whole milk will give you the best creamy texture, but you can experiment with other milk types too. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Next, gently heat your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. This pasteurization step eliminates any unwanted bacteria. Remember to stir constantly to prevent the milk from scorching at the bottom of the pot. Once heated, cool the milk down to between 110 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is perfect for your starter culture.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link in the description below, along with other awesome deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to introduce your yogurt starter. Gently whisk it into the cooled milk until it's fully incorporated. This is where the magic begins. Then, add your fresh lemon juice. This not only adds a delightful tang but also helps with the thickening process. Carefully pour the mixture into your prepared jars or yogurt maker. Ensure they are sealed well. Place your jars in an incubator or a warm spot, maintaining a temperature between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it incubate for 6 to 12 hours, or until it reaches your desired thickness and tanginess. Once set, transfer the yogurt to the refrigerator. Chilling for several hours will further thicken it and enhance its flavor. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.